The fate of convicted mass murderer Tommy Zeigler now rests with a judge. A special week-long hearing ended today for the man on Florida's death row, longer than anyone in history. As West 2 News investigative reporter Greg Fox explains, the court's ruling could mean a new trial and ultimately his freedom.
This may be the last time Tommy Zeigler sees the inside of a courtroom, listening as the state and his legal team delivered closing arguments.
The state got it right in 1976, and Mr. Zeigler's motion should be denied.
We have to raise questions that give rise to reasonable doubt about his guilt, and I think that we have done that in spades.
The hearing featured contradicting testimony from defense and state forensic experts as they pored over clothing, guns, and other evidence, some of which was tested with new DNA technology. Murdered on Christmas Eve 1975 were Zeigler's wife Eunice, her parents Perry and Virginia Edwards, and a customer of Zeigler's furniture store, Charlie Mays. Zeigler himself was found shot but survived, and the defense has suggested Mays may have been the killer. The defense team tells us they believe they made a case to vacate the convictions and earn a new trial, and they believe Zeigler is confident as well.
He's also very grateful for the time and effort that the court has put into this, and is hopeful that justice will be served.
Neither the prosecutors nor the Edwards daughter-in-law and others who knew the victims would speak with us. Relieved that this long hearing is over and hopeful that the judge will grant Tommy Zeigler's freedom, we talked with his cousin, Connie Crawford, who has been with him since the beginning. She's kept and shared with us the scrapbooks she's assembled from countless articles and attended every day of the hearing, trying to gain a sense of whether the 80-year-old will have a chance at even a single day of freedom. She commended the judge on her handling of the case.
I don't think we've ever had a judge before that listened the way she did and participated. So there's hope that she will come with the right decision.
For now, Zeigler heads back to death row to await the decision in his half-century-long legal battle. Covering Orange County, in Orlando, Greg Fox, West 2 News.
The judge is expecting to get the full transcript of this hearing in mid-January. Attorneys will have 30 days to provide their recommended rulings, and the judge will then have until mid-March to rule.